That's why he's still single.
Oh, no. You need to get I love barbecue, so that's one of the things I always like to do when I'm free. Well, just to show you what I have to do today. See, I got my oil. I got my nice oil. So I got my virgin oil. Just later. Just show you one by one. I got this nice sauce. So guys, I'll come closer so you can see it. You see, it's my nice sauce. You know, look at the bags. It's so nice. And I have that one too. So guys, yeah, because I like tender meat, I don't like too strong meat, so I like tender ones. Yeah guys, look, this is just my meat. So guys, I will do this tonight. And that's my tools that I will use to do the barbecue. That's my tools. Because I must remind you guys, this is just for free. The Australian government provides this for free in case if you want to have barbecue in your home. You can go to the park, nearest park, and most of the park have this for families. All you need is after you finish, make it neat, clean it up, and you know, so that another person can use it. Also, they have people that come over and get the whole thing clean. So guys, enjoy the barbecue with me if you want to. So starting with, you have to turn the light on, guys. You have to make sure you hold it for a while. You have to hold it for a while before you turn on. So now it sounds like it's on. Yeah, I have to. So this is like, you know, I think it's on. Sometimes you look at here, you will see the lights coming up. I think now it's on. So guys, it takes a while for the whole thing to hit us, okay? So it comes here strong. I have to use the tool. So I press it for a while and let it go. Yeah, it sounds like it's on. Yeah, that one is coming up. So guys, you know, I always enjoy barbecue. Like you guys see, today will be a nice day. Very nice environment, okay? See, a lot of things going on. And cars everywhere. So I think today we'll have fun. I will enjoy it. I will enjoy it. That's one thing. Anytime I come around here, I always want to have a sweet one. So it's Australian Day, and I hope everybody enjoy. You know why I'm saying this is that I know Australian Day have a lot of stories that go behind, but let's just be realistic. You know, every country has their own bad side of stories, so we just have to appreciate things and move on with life. You know, this car is very good. I don't know, but it's a good feeling when you see some dogs. Hi guys.
How you going?
Good. Happy Australian Day.
Happy Australia
Yeah. See the water? The dogs here, they are always here enjoying and having a good time. So you see how simple. If I have bread now, I normally throw bread to them. They will come over. I look around that area. Here I'm doing this thing is very important actually. It's called Immigration Park. Like you guys know, I always like to come here because it's one of my favorite places. What I'm doing here, see this is getting hot. So I will start getting ready to do that. So here they have Immigration Park, like you guys know. It's a very vital area here. So where I'm doing this, so guys, you guys should watch me. So as you guys know, this one is getting, oh yes, so what's hot in this, okay? I'll just quickly give you a bit of wipe. So guys, what I do, I put a bit of oil. So, I use my oil around the things. Yeah, that one too is getting hot. This one too has got hot too. So guys, Oh no, I couldn't remember to bring my spoon. Okay, I'll use my car key. Now I'm going to use my car key. So don't do this. You have to get to that. Okay. So I use my car key. But guys, listen. Look at how tender the meat is. Very nice, slicey meat. So all I do is drop it. See? Drop it slowly. It's a nice slice. Very nice one. Drop it slowly. Oh man. Good buddy. How are you? Oh yeah. When I got a friend that come over. Oh yeah. So guys, that's how we roll. I'll just try to do this so that yeah, the oil, I have to put the oil down here. And I just try to make, yeah, I just try to make sure the oil gets to there. Okay guys? Okay guys, now this one is on. I've got some clean. Are you doing clean? I do very clean on the bits of oil. What I do with this, I try to spread the oil around, okay? I'll make sure the oil gets everywhere. So when the oil gets everywhere, so guys, I try to do my thing here too. Hi. Some of this oil is going down. So the here.
I'll just drop this off at the there and I'll come.
Guys, I'm trying to get this. Okay, this one is going on, guys. So watching. So I have to put this here. Put on here. What I will do is to use this account. So guys, there we go. Alright guys, you guys can see what we are doing. So, you can watch and see how I have to turn it down. You guys can see what we are doing. So, I just try to spice it up a bit, guys. That's some of it. Alright guys, yeah, it's quite a nice way to cook. I got my towel. Yeah, tender. See how they are. Very nice. So I have to see. They're very nice. Look at how they are. I'll put them here. So later I will have them. They are not okay. See, it's a little more slicey. Very nice. It's not hard to meet in. So we have it all today. So I give them a bit of whack to make sure. I'll make sure it gets right under, you know? Just to make sure it gets right under. So that's how you go in. That just do. Very good. Because I just finished, see? That's just the clean work. Cool guys. Guys, like I said before, when you finish, it's good for you to clean it up, you know? Now I've finished, so I will clean it up for other people to use. So I try as much as possible to clean it, to make it clean. That's what I will do here. I'll make sure I cleaned up so that people will eat. Other people can use it. Okay? While I'm still waiting this one, I will clean this one.
He's telling you what's the name of his song. And this one, Trixie, she's just yeah, so everybody about it. Blah, 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 blah. That's why he's still single.
Oh, no. You need to get a wife.
You can't even get a wife. You can't get the cat nothing. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you're not going to be his wife, are you?
You're bugging me before.
He won't buy, he wants to, yeah.
Yeah.
He's,
you need to get a wife then.
I'll tell you. There's something else you're going to rock him a nice some lullabies, nursery rhymes, everything. Runs from the cat. But this one, my partner's mum's.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she's Trixie, you know what? But this one. I said to these people before, I said I wish I was this good. I smoke cigarettes.
Oh, smoke cigarettes?
Yeah, I do. I used to be sprinty, but do you know what I mean? Like, yeah.
Yeah, right? See how cute they are?
There you go. It's here. Hello.
See how cute they are?
Oh, what's up there?
See how cute they are?
Hello.
Very cute
Hello.
dogs.
Oh, yeah, cute.
Thank you. See ya. So I think that's alright. So I taste. That's alright. Wow. So that's okay. Guys, see? Ah, the bowl. So guys, look at that. Look at that. Trust me, I like barbecue. I can do this all day for you. Oh, I'll give this a bit of run and let it.